Hey Andrew, I had spoken with Gloria at the front desk the other day, and my name is Lee Turbianic, and I've been doing some research in your area, and I came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can begin today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you can become more interested in how we can grow your business, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips I've given you in this video and put them into action for yourself. But all I ask is just for a little feedback on the video and what you thought of it. So let's just jump right into it. 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now when I say content, I mean anything that you can see on the front page, including pictures, what they're saved as, what's behind them. Content, Google likes to typically see about 1,500 words on a home page. So as we scroll down, you do have some content, not bad layout, but I'd say you have maybe 300 to 400 words. Not very optimized with Google standards. So I did a quick search for plumber, Phoenix, Arizona, and as you can see down here in the organic, Parker and Sons is in first place. So I wanted to look at their content, and as you can see, they do have some content as well, but not very much. So if you were to go out and get 1,500 words, you'd easily beat them in that aspect of Google. Now I want to break down Google for you. This top section is Google Ads, and people are paying to be up here, as you can see, Parker and Sons. But you don't need to really be up here paying for all this cost per click, and because 9 times out of 10 they're bogus clicks, and it becomes a money pit. And if you're ranking in these other 2 sections, in the top 3 and in the first page for this, then that's unnecessary to be paying all that money. So let's touch base on this second section here. This is the Google Map Pack section, or GMB. As you can see, Maloney Plumbing and Drain Services in Phoenix, Arizona is up first. Diamondback and Parker and Sons. Well, I wanted to see how many citations this Maloney had. That's what dictates your ranking in this GMB section, is a citation. Now, a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed across directories across the web in Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one of them. The more you have, the better. They're like little votes for your ranking. So I have a tool I use. It's called Whitespark CA. It's a local citation finder that I pay for monthly. I plugged in Maloney Plumbing and Drain Services, all his information, and it tells me how many citations he has so we could beat him. He only has 12 citations, and he's in that first spot. And most of them are spammy because they're not even showing up. So I'd like to go do some more in-depth research from those top 3 guys, grab all their powerful ones. As you can see, they're not created equal. Some of them are strong and some of them are spammy and weak. You can see with this domain authority. But these red dots tell me that we can submit for your business. But I have access to hundreds of them. We could get 100, 200, beat out these guys by a long shot and get you in this top 3 map pack with time and be bringing in tons of business from that aspect. Now, this third section I want to talk about is the organic section, and this has to deal directly with your website. So as you can see, Parker and Sons is in first place, and I'm not seeing, oh, you guys are down here for this keyword, but they are in first. So I wanted to do a quick overview of your website compared to theirs. So as you see, I have another tool called Ahrefs I pay for monthly, and I plugged in your name, Deer Valley Plumbing, and this will show me the overview stats of your site. Now these 2 numbers are very important. This is the overall trust flow to your website, and this is the overall strength of your backlink profile. Now backlinks are what ranks you in this organic section. So Google loves backlinks, and a backlink is when another website is linking back to your website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen them before. When you're on a website, you click on blue wording and it takes you to another website. Well, that's a backlink, and Google counts them as votes because that's one website saying, yes, I'll send my traffic from my website to this website. It's legit. I'll vouch for it. They love it. So the more you have, the better. So anyways, but they are not created equal, just like the citations. You have weak ones and you have stronger ones. So this referring domains, this is telling me you guys have 4,250 backlinks, and you're getting it from 384 websites. So 384 websites are giving you almost 4,500 backlinks. But the only ones that really matter are these do follow links, they're called, and you have 220 of them. That's the ones that transmit power. So I wanted to do a quick search for your competitor, the Parker and Sons, and see what they had. They have a 45 and a 33. So as you can see, they have a stronger backlink profile. That's why they're ranking higher. and they have 670 websites, giving them almost 7,000 backlinks, but only 428 are transmitting power. Now, the best part about this tool is we can go into their referring domains and grab all the strong ones with this DR again, the domain rating. We can get all these strong ones and go and submit for your business. Here's everything laid out for us just to go and submit for your business and get those backlinks. Start powering your website, and you're going to start seeing a massive change in business come through, and I'm going to show you why. It has to deal with your keywords that you have throughout your content. So as you can see, you're ranking for 301 keywords. Let's see, Deer Valley Plumbing, 300 times that's being searched, and you're in the first position. This is volume, and this is how hard it is to rank for this keyword. So let's go down and see plumber, Phoenix, Arizona, 600 searches a month. That's 600 people typing plumber, Phoenix, Arizona each and every month, and you're in the 4th spot for that. Plumber, Phoenix, 1,300 searches a month. Plumber, or Phoenix Plumber, 500. Plumbers, Phoenix, 450. Plumbers Services Phoenix, 150. Plumbers Arizona, 800. That's a little bit more wide range, so we want to stick to your city. Plumbing Contractors Phoenix, 30. Now these keywords are the most important thing, because this is where you can see that people are typing these exact phrases, and you want that throughout that 1,500 words on your content and your homepage. You guys have do have a nice looking site, but it does need a few adjustments, and you guys could really be killing it for your business. So let's just touch base on what we talked about. First thing we talked about was content. You need 1,500 words on your homepage to fit those keywords throughout. Second thing was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. And I like to get 200 to 300 so we could get you up in this map pack, start pulling some of that traffic, and beat these guys. Third thing that we talked about was link juice, which is what ranks you in this organic section. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. My name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great day, Andrew.